Hey guys.
It's me again. Well, past 36 hours, I ran out of my thingamafloochmies here. Yeah, I know. I fell off the wagon today for about, I don't know, 5-6 hours. And I was getting so jittery, my stomach was upset and stuff like that, and I went and bought a pack of cigarettes. I am not happy with myself. Although, like I said, as soon as I was able to find a Walmart, I went and got me some patches. I only had 5. And the 15 that are left in here, and every day I do a vlog, I will show you 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I will show you this pack of cigarettes with the 15 that are in there, just to show you that I am not smoking. I went out, and as soon as I could, I got the patches, and I've got one back on right there, and I'm back on the wagon again. I did it for emergency purposes because I ran out and I wasn't in any shape to drive the truck. Trust me, I was not. But like I said, I'm back on the wagon again, and it's gonna stay that way. Trust me, 3 weeks of not having a cigarette, them things tasted awful. I got my taste back. That's what I did. I got my taste back. Those 3 weeks, I got my taste back. But no, it's like I said, I'm not proud of myself at all. But quitting is hard. I mean, I'm down in myself for doing what I did, and but like I said, I got new patches. I had to use the debit card. I couldn't find a Walmart, big enough to park the truck. The one I found was barely big enough to park the truck. But comment. Let me know if this doesn't count, and if I have to start my count over again. But like I said, that delivers 21 milligrams of nicotine, and that is about 1 cigarette. So, and I had 5 today. But I am back on my quit firm again, and I'm going to stay that way. I'm going to try and stay that way, and hopefully no more cigarettes, man, no more. And what really surprised me is that first one after 3 weeks, I didn't get dizzy. I don't know what it was. I took drags like I was before I quit, and no, I didn't get dizzy. I didn't get sick to my stomach like some people said that I probably would. I don't know. Is it that I've been smoking for so damn long that the effects don't bother me anymore? Am I immune to it now? I don't know. But anyway. One of my friends in Australia Hey, Dean. Name withheld for purposes that you'll understand. But Dean in Australia, you wanted a little walk around of my truck. Well, yeah, it's a little messy right now, but this is my truck. That's my passenger seat. This right here is where your driver's side seat should be, Dean. And this right here is where your passenger seat should be. I'll get up, I'll stand up, and I'll step back here. If I can get my fat butt between the seats. Anyway. But yeah, that's sleeper view from the sleeper. And turn on the light back here. Oh, wrong light. There we go. But this is where I sleep at. That's one of my storage areas right there. A storage area right here. Can't really see it too well. Let me get my flashlight. Where's my flashlight? I don't know where my flashlight's at. Anyway. But that's my sleeper. I make my bed. Jeez. That's my reading light right there. This little thing right there, that's my reading light. But that's the truck. I'll turn off the engine so I can... There we go. Gonna get a little loud out here. I'm gonna step out and do a walk around. That's the trailer back there. This is the outside of the sleeper. That's the truck. Well, I guess this is going to be a double one. But good old Kenworth. Got the parking lights on and everything. That's what she looks like. She's a new truck, so she ain't got her license plate yet, but I do have a temporary registration thing in my permit book. Guys next to me's reefer is running. I've got a dry load, but we'll walk back here. Super singles. Well, I'm gonna tell you what, these things ride like you would not believe. Got 4 of them. That one there, and then I've got one there, and then one behind that one too. The best thing about it, this little button right here. All I got to do is pull that out. Pull it out. And it brings those little pins in and out. Pretty cool, huh? Yep. Tire pressure, 90 psi per tire. And the best part about this whole truck is this thing right here. That locks it, that unlocks it. And when I ain't got my parking lights on, whenever I hit either button, those parking lights come on for oh, probably about 10 seconds when I lock it. They'll come on and then go back off again. There we go, back inside. Now we'll watch them lights just fade away. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Wasn't that sweet? Anyway. Yeah, I know. Small things get amusing in smaller minds, but you know how it goes. But as I said, I'm back on the wagon again, and Dean, you wanted me to do a little tour of the truck, and that's what I did for you. My brother down under. But anyway, I'm in Council Bluffs, Iowa right now, and that's over on the pretty much the southwestern part of Iowa. And I'm sitting at a Sapp Brothers truck stop with a bunch of other trucks. Yep, we got those there, and Gary, yeah, I'll get to those bubbles. Yeah, I'll get to those bubbles for you. We'll see what we can do here. The one right there says this old dog can still bury a bone. That one right there says old guys rule. That one right there says no female passengers, no shoes, no shirt, no problem. And go on and on. Yeah, I'm not. I think my next vlog I'm going to open up the hood and I'm going to go up there and show them to you rather than read them off. Because if I read them off, you can't see them. You know, it's not the best in the world. But anyway. Yeah. Whew. Anyway, that concludes my vlog for the day, and I hope you enjoyed. And to my wifey boo, I'll see you Monday. Anyway, that's my vlog for the day, and the way my buddy Dean greets me when he gets on the Facebook chat thing. Good night.